Hello, my name is Adam, and I'll be going over Deliverable 7 with you. This is kind of like the website banner picture. It has the fist that's in the background. It's you know what it is. It's for United States. Hashtag at max quality. We are here to protest and stand up for the rights of everyone. Together, everyone can achieve more. You can find out dates and locations of when we protest. When we protest on our website, www.maxquality.com. This image is for the American website. It is bold, it's red, white, and blue, and it has the culture familiarity because of the flag. Everything in this photo is bold and shows and has a sign for change. The fist is a semiotic symbol. This means that there needs to be change. Emotionally, when people see this, see the fist, they have mixed emotions of oppression and unhappiness, but they also have the mixed emotions of courage and power to endure and go through change. Um, this emotionally appeals to everyone viewing this. The Europe's audience will also will also see the fist and know the meaning behind it as well. It's a fairly common meaning for the fist of change, and this was the American one. The New England site has a little bit more to it, a little bit more balance. Again, it has the logo at the very top. Everyone's equality. Please join our cause at www.maxquality.com. It has a hashtag max quality. We want to ensure that everyone is treated fairly to the racial prejudice and for racism. It also has a few hands, has love, and it has different. Has another photo. Everyone's smiling in it. Um, the New England site shows cultural familiarity by the logo from the photos and from the photos below. The different ethnics are also involved, and you can associate yourself with one of the groups. The semiotics of the logo show that everyone is equal. These lines are used as edges to portray the sign of equal, that everyone is equal with one another. Not one of the others better. It has an equal playing field. The handshake and love in the photos are basically are emotionally appealing to the viewer. It's a warm handshake, and the warm love also smiles and has a smile on everyone's face, which means everyone should be equal and love one another. Since Europe isn't as bold as USA, the viewers may view this a bit differently. They could interpret this instead of call for equality, more for everyone deserves happiness. America is more bold and in your face image type. They're more proud. The balance between everyone is balance of the flag of New England. Um, there is space between everything, and that is why it's adequate of spacing for this image and for the website itself. Thank you.